Okay, so I just wanted to show you everybody something. I think the decks are coming finished wrong. This is the bottom side of the deck. Looks very glossy. You can tell because it doesn't have the concave screws, recessed screws. Okay, hang on one second. So here is the top side of the deck with the recessed holes. Very little gloss to it. All right. So I think these things are being finished on the wrong side. When you get a new deck, take a look at yours and make sure the side with the concave screws is shiny, or at least as shiny as the side that doesn't get installed, the bottom. Thanks.